Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Zachary Lytle from the Skorpios team, and it is October 31st, which means it's Halloween! Ooh, already getting spooky. We're going over to our friend Gary from the free shipping team, and he is going to show us around his shop. So this should be a fun crossover episode. A Halloween spooktacular.
Please like and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. And if you want a chance to win a Malice sticker pack, leave a comment below about which Battlebot captain you would dress up as.
Hello, Skorpios Builder Blog. This is Wheel Bells from the Hypershock team.
And Buddy from the Malice team.
And today we're going on a very special Halloween trip. We are here at the free shipping shop.
Yes!
We're gonna meet Gary, Jen, Jim Ye, and the whole free shipping team, so let's go check them out. Hey! Oh, there's Gary. Hi, Gary!
Gary! That's not Gary. That's not Gary. That's not Gary. Gary! Gary!
Okay, so it's a little darker than we were expecting.
It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. Where's Gary? Why are there mirrors? Why are we here in a house of mirrors? Ooh, there's someone in the hallway. All right, let's go check it out. Diana, do you know where you're going?
No,
Were we invited?
maybe. I have shirts for you, Gary, and stickers.
Oh, there he is.
Gary! That's not Gary either.
Do. Kill. Die.
Oh, that's a friendly voice. I have keychains and stickers. Gary? Zach? Where is everybody? Gary? Zach? Gary? Where is everybody? Gary? Zach? Ah! Mini Gary? Gary! Gary! Oh my God, where's the light? Ah!
Diana? Bunny? Gary? I have a rake. It's funny because I'm dressed as Will Bales. Bunny? Oh no, that's just weird. Who made this? I swear Diana gets crazier every day. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed our extra spooky Halloween episode. And no robots or robot builders were harmed in the filming of tonight's festivities. So, Will Bell's here, signing off, and I hope everyone had a fabulous Halloween. I know we did. Come back for our normally scheduled episode this Wednesday when we actually hang out with Gary, Jen, and the free shipping crew and get an inside look at their shop. I promise it won't be scary. So, happy Halloween, everyone!
Hi, David.
Hi. Mwah.